Good morning again, grade 6. So kindly open your cameras and if unstable connection, so stay naka-off yung camera pero dapat nandiyan kayo and nakikinig na maayos. So open your book on page 238. Again, 238. And we will going to discuss about patterns. Ayaw mo share ng whiteboard. Nakikita na?
Papa.
Ayan. So, dito, patterns. Nag-tiktok pa si Alexa. Patterns. Why do we study patterns? Because it helps us to make educated guesses and discover mathematical relationships. And also to find the next term. For example, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, what is the next term?
6.
6. Very good. So, paano nyo nalaman yon? Kasi nga, may pattern. Okay? Ngayon, meron tayo ditong definition of pattern which is the order or arrangement of objects, shapes, letters, or numbers. So, hindi lang porket sinabing pattern is mga numbers. So, it can be objects, shapes, letters. And look carefully at each pattern, kagaya ng sa mga examples. And bibigay natin kung ano ba yung pattern. So, for example, dito sa number 1, tingin na lang kayo dyan sa book nyo, 238. Meron tayo dito yung mga emojis. So, what do you think is the next term? Ano kaya sa tingin nyo ang next term?
Yung sad po.
Sad. Very good. Sad. Kasi, smiley, sad, and yung next na emoji. Next, we have example number 2. Ano kaya ang next na arrow dyan? Saan kaya nakatutok yung arrow?
Up po, up.
Up. Bakit up? Kasi meron tayong up, tapos nakaharap sa right, down, and nakaharap sa left. At ang last dito sa ating example number 2 ay yung nakaharap sa left. So, ang susunod doon ay up. Very good. And next, we have example number 3. Ano ang susunod dyan? Circle. Kasi nga, ang shapes dito, ang pattern is circle, triangle, square, and then circle. So, ang last dito sa pattern natin is square. Kaya ang next square is circle. Page 238. Okay? And next, we have the repeating a group of numbers, letters, colors, or shapes can make many patterns. For example, the pattern ABC, ABC, ABC is formed by repeating the group of letters A, B, C. And arranging dots, shapes, or symbols form some patterns. Kagaya ng sa example number 4 and number 5, yung arrangement nila is papalaki ng papalaki yung formation ng kanilang mga shapes. And next we have, will you read the statement here? Princess. Yung after example number 5, we have doubling numbers.
Medyo po naglalag ako. Pakiulit nga po.
Yung sa pakibasa yung dito sa after example number 5, yung may doubling numbers.
Nasa page 250 po ako.
39. Bakit nandyan ka?
Nahuli po kasi ako kasi naglalag po yung laptop ko.
Patterns tayo, anak. Patterns.
Isa pong example.
Doubling numbers. Adding.
Doubling numbers, adding or subtracting the same number to the previous term, add two previous number to get the next term. Or repeating groups of numbers can form some patterns.
Yan. So, below are some examples. Meron tayo dito. Kagaya ng sinabi ni Princess na Kapag daw para makuha natin yung pattern ng mga numbers, kailangan nating i-add or i-subtract yung same number to the previous number. For example, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Para malaman mo, so yung number na 3, 6, 9. So, yung 9, i-subtract mo siya dun sa 6. So, 9 minus 6 is 3. And then, ibig sabihin, yung pagitan nila is by 3. So, anong gagawin mo dun sa after 9 para malaman mo yung next na pattern? You have to add 3. So, isulat ko siya. Sige. We have 3, 6, 9. Para malaman natin yung next kay 9, ang gagawin is to subtract this number to the previous number. So, 9 minus 6, that is 3. Iba-ibang pattern to ha, pero dito sa example, ganun ang ating pattern. Tapos, 6 minus 3, another 3. So, ibig sabihin, 3 ang kanilang pagitan. So, para malaman mo kung ano yung next na number, ang gagawin is to add 3. So, the answer is 9 plus 3, 12.
12.
Ayan. So, ibig sabihin ng next term, dyan sa 369 is 12. Okay? And, meron tayong tinatawag na ellipsis na kung saan yun ay yung tatlong dot. Nakita nyo? Anong tawag dyan? Ellipsis. Tandaan nyo yan. And, dito, the pattern continues without end, and patterns without end are called, anong tawag?
Infinite.
Infinite. Kapag walang katapusan or without end. And patterns that stop are called finite or finite. Ayan, kapag nag-stop or with end. Clear kung ano yung pinagkaiba? And dito, when you write the rule for number patterns or sequences, you should include all the necessary information. And the rule should tell you where to begin and how to get the next term or number. So we have here the examples. Example number 12, we have ano yung mga numbers na given? 2, 4,
4, 6, 8, 10.
very good. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And ang rule natin dito is, kagaya ng sinabi natin, when you write the rule for number patterns or sequences, you should include all the necessary information. So, dito ang rule natin sa example number 12 is to add 2 starting at 2 and then end at 10. Kasi kapag hindi complete yung information mo, so hindi mo sinabi kung saan siya nag-start, hindi mo sinabi kung saan siya nag-end, so maguguluhan kayo kung ano yung mga numbers na included dito sa rule na ito. And we have example number 13, yung shapes na circle, triangle, and star. So, ulit-ulit lang yon, circle, triangle, and star. Tapos, ang rule natin ay repeat circle, triangle, star. Kasi ulit-ulit yung tatlong shapes na iyan. And next, we have example number 14, 30, 27, 24, 21. Kung mapapansin nyo, pabawas siya ng pabawas. Ilan ang binabawas? Mervy?
3.
Oh, very good. 3. And ang kanyang rule ay decrease by 3. Saan siya mag-start? Starting by 30. And next, example number 15, we have 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So, ang pattern nila, kung papansinin nyo, ay nagdodoble. Tama? Yung 1, dinoble, naging 2. Yung 2, dinoble, naging 4. And 4, dinoble, naging 8. And so on. So, ang magiging rule natin is start with 1, kasi nag-start yung 1, yung pattern, and then double. Kasi dinodouble niya yung mga numbers. For example nga, yung 1, dinoble, naging 2. Clear? Clear ba?
Opo.
Ayan.
Sir, may tanong po ako.
Ano yon?
14 po. Hindi ko po naintindihan yung 14.
Pabawas ng pabawas anak. 30, naging 27. 27 naging 24. 24 naging 21. So, nababawasan siya. So, ilan ang binabawas? I-subtract mo si 30 kay 27 at ang answer is 3. So, ibig sabihin, nag-decrease yung ating pattern by 3 na kung saan nag-start siya from 30 up to infinite. So, 30 nagbawas ng 3, naging 27, 27 nagbawas ng 3, naging 24, and so on. Okay? Okay na ba?
Opo.
Next, last. We have, you may also write a mathematical formula to describe the rule used in a number pattern and find a formula for each term of the pattern in terms of counting number n. Ano ulit ang ginagamit natin? Kapag hahanapin natin yung value ng pattern or kung gusto niyo magkaroon ng formula, ang gagamitin lang natin lagi dyan ay n. Later on, malalaman nyo kung paano gamitin si n. And verify the result by making a table of values. Substitute numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or yung counting numbers for n. Ito, sinasubstitute natin yung mga numbers for n in the formula and find out if the computed values match the given terms in the pattern. For example, in example number 16, we have the pattern 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Tama?
Opo.
Ayan. Tapos, ang rule natin is 2n. Ngayon, since ang ating n ay counting numbers ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So, dito up to 5 muna. Or up to 3. Ang gagawin lang is to substitute these numbers in our n. So, since 2n yan, ang isa-substitute lang natin dito ay yung sa n. And sa 1 muna tayo mag-start. So, magiging 2n. So, ang n mo, papalitan mo ng 1. So, 2 times 1, that is 2. Next, dito na tayo sa 2. 2n. So, 2. Tapos yung n mo, papalitan mo ng 2. So, 2 times 2, that is 4. Next, sa 3. 2n. And yung n mo, papalitan mo ng 3. So, 2 times 3, that is 6. So, nakuha na natin yung pattern na to. 'Di ba? 2, 4, 6. And kapag tinuloy natin yan, 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5, 10. So, ang rule natin is 2n. Tapos, to check, ayan, sine-check natin siya. Nakukuha naman natin itong pattern na ito. Clear? Clear ba sa inyo yan?
Opo.
Ayan. And,
Opo.
another one, we have 2, 5, 8, 11, and 14.
14.
Ayan. So, ang rule natin dito, para makuha natin yan using substitution dun sa n ng 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, gagamit tayo ng pattern or ng rule na 2 plus 3 and then n minus 1. Tandaan, ano lang yung sinasubstitute natin dito? Yung n. N lang. And sinasubstitute natin yung n sa numbers na 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, sa first muna tayo. Sa number 1. Copy yung number na 2 or yung rule natin, 2 plus 3. And then yung n natin, papalitan natin siyang 1 minus 1. And dito, 2 plus 3 times 1 minus 1. So, isolve muna natin using PEMDAS rule yung ating parenthesis. So, 3. And 1 minus 1, that is 0. So, PEMDAS rule ulit. Meron tayong addition, meron tayong multiplication. Mauuna ang multiplication. And 3 times 0, that is 0. And since addition na lang ang operation, 2 plus 0, that is 2. Okay? Next, we have sa 2 naman. Substitute, same lang yung process. Substitute ulit si n ng 2. So, magiging 2 plus 3 times yung n mo, which is 2, minus 1. Isolve muna natin yung sa parenthesis. So, we have 2 minus 1, that is 1. And multiplication, 3 times 1, that is 3. And addition, 2 plus 3, that is 5. Next, we have sa 3 naman. Nasusundan nyo na ba yung process?
Teacher, medyo po nalilito.
Sige. Sundan pa. Copy again, 2 plus 3. And then yung n mo, ito yung pattern, rule. So, yung n mo, papalitan mo siya ng 3. And then subtract 1. So, since PEMDAS rule, unahin natin yung nasa parenthesis. So, copy 2 plus 3. Kinakopy lang yung mga iba na hindi mo pa ginagalaw or hindi mo pa sinusolve. And then ito, 3 minus 1, that is 2. And meron na tayong dalawang operation, addition and multiplication. So, ano ba ang mauuna sa PEMDAS rule, di ba? Yan ay P, E, M, D, A, S. Di ba? Ang multiplication and division dito, equal sila na kung saan kahit anong mauna sa kanilang dalawa, okay lang. Kahit anong mauna dito sa addition and subtraction, okay lang. So, dito, ang operation natin ay itong addition and multiplication. At mauuna ang M. So, unahin natin to 3 times 2. So, 3 times 2, that is 6. And 2 plus 6 equals 8. Susundan? Nasusundan na?
Opo.
Nalilito pa. Yan, nasusundan na. Next, we have 4. Ayan. Last na lang natin itong example na ito para at least nasusundan nyo naman siya. So, 2 plus 3 times yung n mo, which is 4, minus 1. And again, parenthesis, copy yung mga hindi mo pa sinusolve, which is 2 plus 3. And then 4 minus 1, that is 3. Then multiplication, again, ang unahin. So, 3 times 3, that is 9. And 2 plus 9, that is 11. So, tignan niyo yung mga result na nakuha natin. We have 2. Ito yon. Ito yon. We have 5. Ito. 8. Ito. 11. Ayan. So, kapag tinuloy natin yung 5, magiging 5 minus 1, that is 4. And 3 times 4, that is 12. 12 plus 2, that is 14. Okay? Clear na sa inyo yung example na yan?
Opo.
Basta sinasubstitute lang. And dito, yung last na example, we have exponent. Diba, tinuruan ko kayo noon kung
Opo.
paano natin isolve yung exponent na yan. Ayan. Madali lang naman siya. So, yung 1, kapag in-square mo, ibig sabihin yan, 1 times itself ng dalawang beses. Ayan, 1, 2. So, 1 times 1, that is 1. And next, we have 2. So, 2
2
squared.
times 2.
That is 2 times 2. So, 2 times 2 equals 4.
4.
And 3, we have 3 squared. So, 3 times 3. 3 times 3, that is
9.
9. Next, we have 4 squared. And 4 times 4, that is 16. And 5 square, we have 5 times 5.
25.
25.
Ayan. Any question about our discussion today, which is pattern?
Wala po.
Ayan.